Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Prius engine air filter. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new engine air filter, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly a shop rag. Always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down for at least 30 minutes to ensure safety. This simple maintenance task can improve your fuel efficiency and engine performance significantly. Now let's access the air filter housing. It's a prominent black plastic box, often located on the passenger side of the engine bay. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around its perimeter. Simply unclip these by pulling them outwards. Once all clips are released, gently lift the top cover of the airbox. You don't need to completely remove it, just enough to see the filter. With the airbox open, you'll see the old, rectangular engine air filter. Simply lift it straight out. Take a moment to inspect it. A dirty filter will appear dark and clogged with debris, indicating it's time for a replacement. While the filter is out, it's a great opportunity to wipe down the inside of the airbox with a clean, damp cloth to remove any accumulated dust or leaves. Now for the new filter. Carefully place your fresh engine air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely within the box. Once it's in place, realign the top cover of the airbox. Press down firmly and re-engage all 2 to 4 metal clips until they snap securely into position. Give them a quick check to ensure they are all fastened tightly. You've successfully replaced your engine air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.